Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading a representative track and setting a consistent reference level. This helps you hear real changes. Once done, silence any master compression or processing so the equalizer acts alone. Make sure to reset all bands to 0 dB and select linear phase if phase integrity matters. This avoids smear. Now, play the looped section and listen for the most obvious frequency problems. You will act on those first, using narrow boosts to identify offending ranges. Next, sweep to find resonances. Use a narrow Q and a temporary boost to locate harsh or boomy frequencies. When you find them, invert that action and cut with a slightly wider Q to preserve tone. Once you've tamed narrow issues, make broader musical cuts or boosts to shape the sound, gentle boosts for presence, gentle cuts for muddiness. Make sure to toggle bypass frequently to confirm improvements. If necessary, add subtle dynamic EQ, where static cuts would kill character. To finish, compare the processed audio against the bypass signal at the same reference level and on at least 2 playback systems. This ensures changes translate. Apply only small final boosts and trims. Keep individual band moves modest so the mix stays natural. If you run into pumping, phase issues, or loss of transients, reduce Q, change filter slopes, or enable linear phase mode. If problems persist, revert the offending band and try dynamic EQ instead. This is usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.